Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the heater on Mercedes GLC first generation right here, guys. If you have problems with your heater, always check these fuses. There will be some hidden fuses. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video, because it could be quite simple fix. And after that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So for the heater, guys, which fuses and relays we need to check, let's explain on that generation GLC. We'll be working multiple fuse boxes. The first one that we need, it's on the driver's side. Open the driver door. On the side of the dash you have that cover that you need to pry open, and behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one. This is the first box we need. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay, and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here, guys, what we will need to check specifically, okay, 2 fuses, then we need to go to 2 different fuse boxes and check a few more. But the first fuse, guys, okay, starting here, that's fuse 200, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 207 and 209. That 15 and 5M fuse will need to be checked. After that, we need to open the passenger door, guys. When you open the passenger side door on the A pillar, right here you have a plastic trim that you need to remove, and underneath you're going to find another fuse box that looks like this one. Here we need to check fuse 311. Some of you will have that fuse right here. Another fuse that we need to check, 2 more, are known as fuse MF2 and MF3. Each one of these fuses has 6 fuses built in them. Each fuse is 5 amps. So you will have one here and one here. Remove and test all the fuses, make sure everything's good there. We're not done, guys. If you remove the glove box, deep inside the dash on the left side, you have a Prefuse box that looks like this one. You have many cables attached to it. When you open it, okay, you have many mega fuses. Here specifically, you will need to check fuse number 3, guys. We're talking about this 40 amp fuse right here. Now, you don't have relays. The relay function practically is controlled by modules, so you have only these fuses that we will need to check. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.